Understanding, a dime a dozen, English idioms explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus will be on understanding the phrase, a dime a dozen. This idiom is commonly used in English, and knowing its meaning and usage can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, a dime a dozen, refers to something that is very common and, therefore, of little value or importance. It suggests that the item or situation is so plentiful that it's not rare or special. Historically, the idiom originates from a time when a dime could buy you a dozen of an item, indicating that the item was very cheap. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In everyday conversation. 2. Reality TV shows are a dime a dozen these days. 3. Bloggers are a dime a dozen. What makes yours stand out? 4. In professional contexts. 5. Job applicants with basic skills are a dime a dozen. We need someone with specialized knowledge. 6. Marketing strategies like that are a dime a dozen and won't make our product stand out. 7. In literature and media. 8. In the novel, the author describes the stars as a dime a dozen, emphasizing their insignificance in the vast universe. 9. The movie critic said that superhero films have become a dime a dozen. It's important to note that a dime a dozen should not be used to describe something extremely valuable or rare. It's a common mistake for English learners to misunderstand this. Remember, it implies abundance and commonality, not rarity or uniqueness. Understanding similar idioms can help broaden your understanding. 10 a penny, British English, similar in meaning, indicating something is very common and not special. Common as dirt, used to describe something extremely common or plentiful. 2 a penny, another way to say something is very common and of little value. I hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, a dime a dozen. Remember, idioms are a vital part of learning English and can add color and depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon, using idioms like, a dime a dozen, will be, well, a dime a dozen for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.